Hi guys, it's me, HeyRellyRell. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned. Wait, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any previous or upcoming videos. As always, to prime our eyes, we're going to use the ColourPop concealer. This time to blend, we're going to use our finger because it's easier, and it's easier just to blend with the finger. To set the concealer, we're going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. From the Melt Cosmetics brush stack, I'm using the color Rubbish as our blendy color to make sure everything blends really well. Using my BH Cosmetics Smokey Eye palette, I'm using that pretty red color, the star of the show above the crease. Oldie but goodie, I swear by this palette. I'm using that dark, deeper red in there, and I'm using that in the crease. Sometimes they try to push these new palettes on us. You need to look in your closet. The ones that you have work just as good. As a matter of fact, do you have a favorite palette? Drop your comment below. Going back into the rust stack, I'm taking that color Rust and I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit more, make it a little bit more darker. Using that ColourPop concealer that we used earlier to conceal the eyes, we are going to cut the crease. Cut that crease, girl. Going into my Urban Decay Spectrum palette, I'm taking the color Daybreak and I'm putting that where we put our concealer. To deepen up the outer corner, we're going to use the color Rust from Melt Cosmetics. This time we are going to wing the liner. We're going to wing it. We're going to use my favorite lashes from Lily Lashes, and that's from Mykonos. We're going to use the Mykonos lashes. Onto the face, we're going to use NARS foundation. My favorite foundation is NARS. For my concealer, of course, I use my ColourPop. To contour, I'm using LA Girl Cosmetics Chestnut. Cosmetics. I don't really set too heavily under my eyes, but underneath my contour, I'm going to use Laura Mercier. To set under my eyes, I'm using that pretty red color from the Smokey eye palette and also Rust. For my cheeks, I'm using LA Colors in the color Coral. To highlight, I'm using MAC Oh Darling. This is like the best highlighter on this planet. Like, no highlighter to me can beat this one. I'm using Dark Brown by NYX Cosmetics. For my lipstick, it's gonna be Layover by ColourPop. To set all this prettiness in, we're going to use Scandinavia. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe so you can see what's going on my next video. See you later.